Hello, Paul Rogers here, VP of Product Development at OWE. We just wanted to give you guys an update out there to let you know what we've been working on and show you some of the progress that we've made in our new facility in Comfort, Texas. So to start off with, just want to show you our new parts department. So as you guys know, the parts department is where the furniture begins its journey through the factory. This is where we take the raw material, bring it to any number of machines that you see in front of you, and form the actual parts of the furniture. Okay, so next up we have our welding department. We've actually doubled our welding booths in the new Comfort facility, so we'll be able to produce more furniture, hopefully faster. So stay tuned. We'll be doing a series of previews on our new facility in Texas over the next few weeks.